Also available from the main toolbar within inside of the virtual build module is the ability to create named views which can be restored at a later time. Named views capture certain attributes and properties that are displayed inside of the 3D viewer at the activity level, so they may be used and recalled in the future. For instance, a user may want to select a certain part, add color to it, modify the angle of the parts themselves of the model, and also interact with visibility of the particular parts. Once they get things in a desired location, the user can come here, provide a name for the view. They can also provide an optional description that may be useful in the future to their particular needs. After that basic information is defined, they can hit the Save button, and then the view definition is then saved. So to demonstrate this, we can have the model displayed in another configuration, and to get back to that view, they simply click on that particular view, and then they can continue working from that starting point. Views can also be updated. So, for instance, if they choose to color a part a different color, in this case, they can do so and then click the Update View button. The definition for that view then stores the new color selection or any of the other attributes discussed, such as part visibility, part location, and so forth. A view can also be removed as far if it is no longer needed. A prompt is given to be sure, and then the view is restored, and the default view for the model then is displayed. As indicated, views are stored and tied to the different activities defined in the process. The storing of views can become very valuable in the maintenance and creation of such things as work instructions or SOP generation. So if a user has a certain configuration defined for a particular activity, they can easily come right back to it to do necessary updates in the future.